Good evening guys, I'm Paul the Tech Giant and tonight I want to tell you what I feel are the best things about this 65-inch Sony A90J OLED. Big thanks to box.co.uk for kindly sending over this Sony A90J OLED for me to test. And if you're looking to purchase a new TV for yourselves, then please go and check out their link in the description for all their latest prices and offers and all their other electrical items that they sell also, as they do a very wide range. So worth checking them out and you'll be supporting the channel at the same time. So thanks to Box. Right, let's get into this then, and in no particular order, the first best thing about this TV is the remote control. And whilst I'm not particularly a fan of the length of it, as you can see it's a rather long, it's the fact that it is backlit. And this is very handy, especially coming from someone who doesn't normally have backlit remote controls. Just being able to pick it up in the dark, the remote backlight fires into life automatically when it senses movement, and it just makes it so much easier to use. And I certainly will miss this backlight remote when I go back to my regular remote control, which isn't backlit at all. Next best thing about this TV has got to be the absolutely stunning picture quality. Now trust me, this is one of the best TVs that I have ever tested. Now it doesn't matter what I throw at this TV, be it high quality 4K HDR material or very low quality SD material. This TV makes the very best of whatever it gets thrown at it. And that's down to the great processing that's going on. And talking of processing, the motion on this TV as well is very good indeed. And I'm sure a lot of people will be pleased to hear that, because a lot of people ask me about motion when it comes to TVs. But yeah, processing, nice, smooth, clean looking image, you know, not much banding going on or anything like that. So yeah, when it comes to picture, really, I just cannot fault it. Next best thing about this TV is the sound quality. And it's very surprising because this TV doesn't produce sound in a conventional way. Now, it does have a couple of regular subs in the back of it, but what it also has is some actuators that actually vibrate the screen itself to create the sound. So essentially it uses the screen as a speaker, and it's very odd because you can actually feel the screen vibrating in a couple of different places, and as you move around it sounds like the sound is actually coming out from the screen itself. And surprisingly, it does work very well. The sound quality is surprisingly good. Now, don't get me wrong, it's still not going to be as good as a dedicated soundbar or maybe an AV amp and separate speakers. But you know, if it's just to get you up and running, and for those days that you don't want to be, you know, blasting the neighbours out, then I feel that these speakers are more than adequate. So next up is the speed of the operating system, and navigating the menus is really good. As you can see, there's no hanging around. It doesn't hang like other manufacturers, should I say. Look, just press the button, it's straight up. If I get up the home menu, again, it's very quick to respond, no lagging or hesitation, and that is exactly what you want. Next standout feature of this TV has got to be the Bravia Core app, which is included in some regions on the A90J. Now this is a streaming app which allows you to stream up to 80 megabits per second, as indicated on the screen there, which is far higher than your conventional streaming services. Now, along with that, we also have what is apparently the largest library of IMAX enhanced films for you to stream and enjoy. And with this particular model, you are allowed to stream up to 2 years for free. You also get 10 tokens, which allows you to keep 10 films of your choice and stream to your heart's content. And to take full advantage of that IMAX Enhanced, we also get a dedicated IMAX Enhanced picture mode. Next thing has got to be the amazing viewing angles. And if we move round to the side, you can see for yourself that it remains an amazing picture, even when we go really far round. And that's great if you're the sort of person who doesn't sit square onto their TV, or maybe you have friends over who sit off to one side. As looking at that, we are maintaining really good colour and brightness, and that is exactly what you want. Now, the final best thing about this TV is dangling down just here. And yes, this TV has a removable power cable. And believe it or not all TVs do these days, so it's nice to know that if you want, you can swap it out for a longer one. Well, there you go then, guys. Now please let me know in the comment section which of my favourite things about this TV most appeals to you. So once again, big thanks to box.co.uk for sending over the TV. If you've enjoyed this video and appreciated my honesty, please give me a thumbs up. Also, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so and help me get to my goal of 100,000 subscribers. So thanks very much for joining me today, and hopefully I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.